The intermediate training gives you an opportunity to apply what you learned in the beginner's course everywhere. You don't do it just in your room, you do it with steps, you do it while exercising, whatever it is you're doing that is important for you to perform well or to perform better, or to heal some chronic issues that you might have. The intermediate gives you more context. The principles are the same, so you learn the principles in the beginners, but then you widen your range of
practices.
Yeah.
Which helps you to deepen your understanding of what the job you're actually doing. The principle is you need to increase your carbon dioxide level. Every circumstance you find yourself feeling not so good, it's about doing something that will increase your carbon dioxide level. So there's different ways of doing it. And so I guess you broaden your set of tools for doing that.
It brings an awareness to the daily life, and I think the advanced does that in the realm of the mind, because the mind tricks us to breathe quite heavily because we have a million thoughts.
You did quite extreme sports, or you still do you?
Yes, I was a swimmer. Real shame I didn't find Buteyko while I was a swimmer, but I found Buteyko while I was doing CrossFit, which is by definition a very intense type of exercise. It helped a lot in terms of recovery because you do get very sore sometimes with CrossFit. It kind of makes your body more pliable after such intense exercise, which is very healthy if you do it well, but you have to compensate also with really good recovery. It's very useful to apply Buteyko also while you're doing it. It's possible to avoid hyperventilation. If you do very high intensity exercise, you're going to breathe heavy, but then you have the opportunity when you finish to recover your breathing very quickly as well. And even do like a small pauses after that, and it feels great.